Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make Instagram story icons smaller. First, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. As you can see, my story icons have a big size. Now, take a screenshot of this page. Then, go to your profile. Here, tap on Menu on your top right. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Help. Here, tap on Report a Problem. Turn the toggle off for Shake Phone to report a problem. Now tap on Report a Problem. Here, tap on Don't Include and Continue. Now type your report as my Instagram story icons are too big. They are not the normal size like they used to be. Please resolve my problem. Then tap on Upload. Now upload the screenshot you took. After that, tap on Send. Instagram will soon resolve your problem. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.